One quotation which I always open up my eyes to is, "What would you do if you weren't afraid today?" And I've taken a lot of gutsy and powerful decisions in my life, internalizing that quote. And not to forget to mention that a lot of times I failed as well. Like, for instance, I woke up today and I thought that I wouldn't refer to anything for my speech today, but well, I failed. But and just like quoting that point, because we also know putting up quotations on the wall would not give us solutions, right? I mean, a lot of times I have to do a little more than that. So, taking up responsibility for what you want to do, confronting your own fears, and taking real leadership role is what is required to bring about any change. And that's what my work in life is all about. Commonwealth countries, we have almost 1.2 billion young people across 54 countries, and maybe almost 50% of the people are under 25. So you can imagine the power of young people we have in this country, in the region. And I just feel that personally, as a youth and also as a leader of the organization, that we have to all galvanize actually the energy these young people have in terms of making them building blocks to a stronger democracy. And when I say how do we do it, obviously one is through better policy making and breaking institutional barriers and creating platforms and leadership opportunities. But on the other hand, I also feel that such grassroots work, where you're also creating second line, third line of leaders who are maybe not up there, but it's still there. You're creating it in some or the other subtle manner. A lot of investment, resource, networks, and contacts have to be invested in all the regional organizations across Commonwealth. They are working on a grassroots level. I'm privileged to be here and be part of such a group where I can see, because we also talked about we as a shared group. So I think nothing more is important than people who come together on the same platform with a similar vision and shared purpose. So I think we as a group, I mean, that's the strongest hope I have right now once I exit this door. So thank you.